Today, me and one of my very best friends.
I'm actually not your friend, I'm your son.
You're my friend too, but yeah, you're my son.
Basically.
Basically.
I can do paint pour
We're
on
gonna do paint pour.
and make these super cool things.
Should we do all the colors? Or no?
No.
No? Okay.
Let's just do some separated.
And you can pick from these too, like, oh my gosh, these ones are so pretty. I think we should just do all those colors.
No. No, do I dump it in my cup? This is so much fun.
Isn't it
Mustard!
Yummy.
Yummy! Mustard!
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Super good. Super helpful. You stay hydrated.
Very important. So I'm gonna go behind you and put the floetrol in here while you do that.
Look how beautiful this is. Who's that, Dad?
Dad, it's pretty cute.
Hey.
Boom!
Bev.
Hey,
Dad, look
Daddy.
how beautiful this pink is. Like, I guess mixed it in. Look how beautiful.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Ooh, this is actually really cool. Mom.
Good.
Mom, I'm gonna do
Oh, that is
ooh,
pretty.
Mom, I'm gonna do my own cup. And I'm gonna put that baby blue in the white and mix it together, and then I can have this color to pour on my paint project. Look at that. Now that's some mustard.
Oh, yummy.
Unfortunately, I'm not
They kind of need to be the same.
Mom! Look how beautiful that is.
Oh, that is pretty.
It's kind of hot.
It's the heat.
Mom, can I do my color thing? No, Mom, that's baby blue.
They both need a little bit more, but you that was a good save because I almost shrewded it.
Look how cool that is.
Oh, yum.
Yum? Ooh, yum. That color green.
No, I'm sorry. Any other color but that one, it'll be too Christmassy. Can you help getting in here?
No, I got it.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So,
What's that on? Lazy Susan?
it's a lazy yes.
Lazy Susan.
Lazy Sue's. Okay.
Lazy Susan.
So now, you want to take this and pour some on the canvas, okay?
Okay. I
Um,
can spread it for
want
you.
to spread it?
Yeah, I can spread it.
There you go. Oh, don't. Yeah, spread it all over. You want to not do it hard, just kind of lightly so. Can I show you? Here, let me show
I
you.
got it. Hi, I'm Mr. Barbie King.
have to spread this all out.
Let's just say you're allowed to help. Look at a great big Christmas tree, the best looking tree I ever did see. And I put it down all by myself. Let's just say you're allowed to help. Hey, now can I pour my stuff?
Yes, now come stand here. And how are you gonna pour it?
Do it.
Oh, that is beautiful. Now, do you wanna, do the rest of it like in the middle or something? You can dump the rest of it if you want. There you go. The colors you picked are so pretty.
Good.
Very good.
Now can we spin it?
Yeah, now you could spin it or you could tilt it. You wanna try spinning it? Tilt it like. Oh, that's cool. Well, that's good if you want to be done. It's fine. Ooh, look at this.
Whoa.
That turned out. Look at this.
Whoa.
That turned out cool. You could even do like a swoop through it with this if you want, or you could just keep spinning it.
I can just swoop through it with that.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh, cool. Now let's do another. Ooh. Ooh, cool. Now we just do another spin. Ooh, that's pretty. Do you want to spin it again?
Whoa.
Super cool.
Mom, that's like a heart in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to spin it again?
Yeah.
Okay, stand back.
Spin it hard.
Okay. I still want to spin it off of the...
Whoa, I like the outside of that. Mom, that's like the earth.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the earth, and that's all the like the aliens.
Oh.
That's a cool painting. I'm hanging that on my wall.
Okay.
This,
Super cool how it's like stretched on the side there.
yeah. Dad, come look at my painting.
How's it going?
You should see it. It's epic.
Cool.
Come here and see it.
One
You
second.
need to see this. My painting is so cool.
One second.
Whoa, okay, whoa. That is good. Stop, Hank.
Like, share,